The company is in a critical strategic moment of investing. There's an ambition to grow as well as to take a different approach to position Hilti differently in this business.
And in my position, especially in financial planning analysis, we help to guide the top management where we can invest, where we can grow the organization quicker.
So Global Reward is part of the HR team. What we do here, it's really directly related to the people. We encourage so much of people that move around different functions, move around different entities, move around different countries, so then people can really see opportunities on how they can grow within the company.
In Hilti, we have over 1,000 finance jobs and across a wide area of different finance functions. And that's what's really interesting, because you can join somewhere, but over your career, you can learn different areas of finance or even join a different department and continue learning.
So from my perspective in HR, I get to feel like we have quite a direct impact actually, because we're bringing in the workforce of the future. We can really take pride in the results that the organisation gets as a result of that.
Developing our people and matching their strengths to current but also future roles is one of the areas where we as HR business partners work very closely with the business leaders as well as our team members.
So business transformation always has people and change at its core. And we as business partner play a really pivotal role in both coaching and enabling our business leaders to achieve sustainable results.
I joined the Hilti tax team, and I've actually been here for the last 11 years. I feel like we are empowered to really bridge the compliance with the business needs. I've touched a little bit of every tax topic that probably exists, and that's very unique.
Some people think working in-house is not as challenging as working in a law firm, but that's absolutely not true. When you're in the legal team, you are managing the risks of the business. You need to have a business eye. I think this is very exciting. This is what I love doing the most in my job.
The teams are seen as the backbone of the organization, and the company knows that the success of its strategy starts with the engagement of their employees.
There's a lot of people I know that are around me that I can learn so much from, and I feel like I'm in a good spot to propel my career.
The pride it comes from working as part of a big team, everybody playing their own part and being successful.
We are so open to people's different strengths and skills that they bring to the table, and that's what's beautiful about Hilti. There is no one type of individual or skill set that you need to thrive.